who really chip in that I could get this test done. Because I went to do something else, and we hear some people talk about they unable to do the test. Because some of them healthcare have maxed out. You know, and that's why I am happy when I hear Dr. Dar say that the PNP government is going to invest in these machines so that, because cancer is something big in Jamaica, and that people will have the peace of mind knowing that they can get these tests done and they can get the treatment. Because sometimes I just stress of not getting the test done really kill you know. Yeah. So let me move on to the sheet.
Mm-hmm.
A couple of months ago, a report came out from the Ministry of Finance. Read the appointment of Mr. Dennis Chung to the FID. And they withdraw that statement the next day. We haven't seen a follow-up statement from them.
Mm-hmm.
What is it? Because if you put a statement and you have to withdraw it, that means there's something wrong with that statement.
Yes.
So we are waiting with bated breath to get a new statement. And I would love for you, because we know you're a lady, you will call her, you will get information. But you have to get some information on this. What is the true position on this matter?
Yes.
Because you see, I am happy. I am feeling so good that Jamaica is going to experience some good governance very soon. I am happy that our small and medium-sized business people are going to experience something that can really build their business. Because 70% of Jamaica's business thing is from the small and medium-sized enterprise.
You don't think they're enjoying what they're experiencing now?
No. What is happening is that they are saying, because they have said it publicly, that yes, there are funds in the institutions, but to get those funds, it is a problem. Because to get a certain amount of money, you have to put up some money. What the PNP say is that some of these medium-sized and small enterprise, they are going to give them grants to start them business, get them things hooked. They employ one somebody, they can employ three. And after a time now, when they go back again, because them business get bigger, they'll be in a position now to finance their own loan. Because sometimes some people want to push. They want to start. And the fair we say, how far them go. You see, I am so pleased again. You see, the agriculture sector, Mr. Shields, they are going to go into a period of massive growth under the PNP. I'm going to tell you why I said that.
No, before you even go there, why are you promising things to come? Why didn't we have the growth you're now saying is coming when the PNP was there? Even take the last stint between 2011 and 16.
I am happy to mention that, Mr. Shields. Because during the last PNP administration, there were growth in agriculture. Because remember that we took off 2 items of the import bill. We took off Irish potato and we took off onion.
Listen, all of that is highway tinkering. Until John, until there is a proper water revolution.
But that is about to take place.
It is about to take place because Matthew Samuda has just come and outlined it to me last week.
I'm happy to mention it again.
I have to go though. Finish the point. Finish the point. Yes.
Recently, Andrew Holness and Matthew Samuel went down to a place, the water for Western Jamaica. And a whole pipe of a thing were there. And if you look at that video from social media now, honestly, I just do it dig up. Everything gone. Just having that St. Mary.
No, John. No, what they explained. No, hold on a second. I don't care how it was formed. The country.
And the PNP is going to make sure.
John, hold on. And I don't like when we quote institutions that were started under one government because they belong to the people of Jamaica. It's funded by us. But the point I'm making is the situation with the water. What I believe I heard Matthew Samuda explaining, there have been communities where there was just no water at all getting into the pipes for one reason or the next. Based on the fix that has been done and the demonstrations you see on social media, water is now getting in either because they've replaced the old broken conduits underground. And what you see on social media is a demonstration that water is now available. So hold on. So that if people are ready to have the branches to their homes in those communities, then they can connect directly to the NWC pipeline. And that's why the water things are no longer there.
Look here. You see, when I go to St. Mary, and then take up a ground to somewhere, and then them have some little pipes stretch out, and then as the pipes leave, the pipe leave. That's what the PNP going to do. The PNP is going to be, as a matter of fact, I'm sure you hear Mr. Ian Hills spoke about the two reservoirs we're going to build in Jamaica. We need reservoirs because we need catchment area. So no matter what pipe there, if we can't catch the water, you're going nowhere.
Thank you. Weekend. All right. Take good care. 9267615. Morning.
Morning, Emily. Finally get to. This is John from Mobile.
Yes, John.
How you doing?
Long time I haven't heard you.
Yes, long time. Now it's politics season. I say make a call.
John, you used to call about the mobile bus service, well, Metro.
Yes.
Yes. You get bus now.
Yes, it is.
Bus after bus after bus.
Bus after bus. But me see we have one great problem with Kingston and Montego Bay. They don't treat Kingston like it's a part of Jamaica. They don't treat Montego Bay like it's a part of Jamaica. Me see I having a problem. Whenever the buses come, they give with the one who's running on the bus and the road already and keep the one them in town. But come down.
Oh, keep the newer ones in town?
Yes, man, and I don't want that to happen. I'm asking the Prime Minister, please, me asking for some of these new ones in Montego Bay. Because the people are supporting the bus, them down here, me feel.
Well, maybe, I don't know, maybe because you pull substantially less passenger than Kingston. They give you the, I don't know. How about, so tell me what the situation now is with the buses in Mobile. They're running from where to where now?
All right, we have Palmont, we have Sandy Bay, we have Lucy, we have Fablamar, we have Negril, and we have the newest tourist scheme, Green Pan.
Yes.
We're doing well, Miss Hill.
Okay. Well. And these are with the Metro or JUTC service? Just Metro.
Don't take over as yet. They plan to take over.
Yes.
But the way to take over, something is going on there, not to talk here. So.
Yeah. But I remember as well, John, you used to call because you didn't have enough Metro buses. Do you know have an increase in the fleet?
Yes, man. We're doing well now, but the problem is we get all our buses missed, and they're working down quick. We go on up to about 20 buses now. And we will do about 15 if we have so much now on the road. Because we have some Chinese type. What they did have about 2 years ago in Kingston. They're sending down here. They already done the Kingston road this field.
Yes.
So we need some of the brand new one. If I would 10 or 5 out of the brand new one, and we beg Mr. Val to make be people support bus. If you stand there, Lucy will start going now. We still people taking the bus. The fare a little cheaper. The ride a little nice. Air condition, everything. Comfort. You know, so as people come in the bus, they start to fall asleep already. The air condition nice for the people. Them.
You know what I want them to do is to somehow alter the, what is it now, transmission. I want something where they can go over a certain speed.
Oh, yes, they do that. They do that.
They have it in the system?
Yeah, man, they govern them.
All right. Thank you, John. I've got to go. It's headlines time. All the best to you.
You're listening to
Date Fight. Barnett Malahoo Fort butt heads on delays in agreement to election reform. I want to watch that PSOJ event where this discussion took place before I speak specifically to this matter. But we do recall a promise made by the Prime Minister to introduce fixed term for election date in this year, his second term that is now near ended. For some reason, it is believed that it will provide greater stability and certainty and so forth. And we always look to a number of other countries where this particular model has been tried. One of the countries we look to is the UK, because they had a fixed term parliamentary act where they set the election date, but they also provided that a date could be had earlier than the date at which it was fixed, where there's a no confidence vote against the Prime Minister and which received a vote of the simple majority in the House. Or I believe if 2/3 of the Parliament voted for an election date earlier than the one fixed by law. But do you know, certainly as I recall with my listening to the matters in the UK, that less than 15 years after they fixed the election term in 2011, less than 15 years after that, them repeal it and gone back to where they're coming from, making it the Prime Minister's prerogative to call the election. They've repealed it. Yeah? So I've heard a lot of calls here as well, and I'm trying to figure out what exactly what is it that we hope to have, because technically, you know, by the Constitution, the date for the prorogation of Parliament is fixed. We have the outside boundary by the Constitution. And if we're going to go outside the boundary, then we have to be in a state of war. This thing is so set up by the Constitution that a Prime Minister may have wished it whilst campaigning, but I don't know that it's such a simple matter that, you know, it's something I'm prepared to say, yes, let's do this without greater thought and looking elsewhere on other models, and also considering why did the UK so quickly repeal one that they brought in 2011. But I'm going to have a look at the PSOJ forum that the Gleaner quotes from today, especially within the context where I know, having watched how the constitutional reform process in Jamaica has gone belly up, and I know exactly why it went the way it went, or it has gone the way it has gone. What you want, Shinehead? You want sardine? Take sardine.
Where's the sandwich? Anyway, if you cut...
686319267615 888-991-2080. 8631. I'm with you. Morning.
Morning, church sister.
How are you?
Me not too bad, you know. Lie down na me bed, me kind of be mash up.
What mash you up?
Slide palm and chubby buckle.
Oh no, the poor buckle.
Crush up with the hope and wait.
The buckle said, one at a time, please.
Crush up with the hope and wait.
Be here, sir.
You know, we mash up, you know, the buckle mash up and
then,
mash up.
Be here, sir, the buckle ball out. People dead.
The buckle mash up and me mash up.
Oh God. You never drop.
Me drop, man. You must drop.
They home enough feel no earthquake.
Me drop, man.
That's not
A rock stone place, you're not going to feel no earthquake. We start me them up a rock stone today, so you're not going to feel no earthquake. If I been pay dirt, you don't feel it.
I'm so sorry to hear. So you ice your body?
Eh?
You ice your body?
Yeah, man.
Yes, you have to put ice all over you.
Yeah, me ice. Yeah, man. Rain fall Tuesday and hail drop, you know.
Oh, so you ice your body in a hill?
Yeah, man. You get one punch shower rain Tuesday.
You know, I had to go down to St. Elizabeth to attend my uncle's funeral, Uncle Donald Murray. And from I touch, which part that? Somewhere in a Manchester, Tuesday, a pure rain go straight down. Come
Yeah,
go
man,
down now, Westmoreland.
Nice rain fall, man. It start for 19 minutes after 1 hour. I tell you, say water, drop water, get up in a rock, when like a trouble.
When me tell the people them down Sandals say, a drought a town. Then say, so them here, they don't have that. The rain every single day it appears. So I don't know what is going on in Kingston and St. Andrew, why we are having drought up here, because other parts of the island not having it.
You have to go plant some pine tree jar rain, you know.
How long pine tree take to grow?
Not take no long time to grow.
Like how long,
jar
so?
rain, you know. Meanwhile, so you see how we head a rock to and a rock and a go back to
In a breeze?
water, you know.
In a breeze?
Huh?
The head rock in a breeze?
Yeah, man. It jar the water, you know. You never know.
No?
Yeah, man.
Oh. So you have pine tree down at Craighead?
Yeah, man. There for me brethren, they have pine tree up a yard, so, you know. My brethren have pine tree up a yard, so man, I hope a pine tree plant up there.
Mm-hmm.
So when it's a rock, you know, it's a jar the water.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So the lady did have come here Tuesday, but he come up a road, but he couldn't come down on the bad road after the rain fall and she nobody come down.
Then why rain stop her?
He couldn't come in the rain.
And you couldn't go there to go see her because you pop up?
No, me couldn't go up there to go see him. I never see one city could have hurt me so.
Mm-hmm.
Hurt me?
But at the second time she come at Craighead now?
About the third time now he come, man.
Oh, I no get to see you.
Can't see him at all. All the while me fi see him misfortune coming on my way. But I say go.
Mm-hmm. For your time not come yet?
No, for me time not come yet. Me wait for me time. For time we come.
Mm-hmm.
Me, no, there no farmer, no see no sun neither. No sun there. Whole place over here.
What you said to me? Me said I was so glad for the rain. All the way up here rain, and we not get no rain at all. And look at you telling me now, say the place overcast.
Yeah, man, overcast. No sun, no hot farmer. Me no see none. If it hot, me no see.
Mm-hmm.
But the place overcast, you know, right now. After me bed, me sit down. Me just go turn down the radio because I don't want the feedback.
That means for your pumpkin them supposed to grow up soon.
Not talk about bucket, man. About 13 drum me have. 13 blue drum me have and the whole of them full of water.
No, not bucket, pumpkin. You not plant pumpkin?
Yes, man. The pumpkin there, man. Pumpkin beer, pumpkin there, man.
Mm-hmm.
All type of color pumpkin. Can me wrap up some of the seeds. Me plant some of the seeds in a newspaper.
Plant them or you put them for dry?
Me put the seeds, you put the pumpkin seeds in a newspaper, me seeds and plant it. Right on the house side there, so when me there, right, you know, we can stand through the window. All type of pumpkin did this. White.
What that do?
Huh?
What happened? What the newspaper do to it when you plant it in there?
It be all different type of pumpkin.
Like how many different type of pumpkin you have?
5 different stocks will be there.
What color?
White, some of them blue, all
What?
type of color.
No, sir, me never see blue pumpkin yet.
Yes, man, me I tell you say there right now. Right back at house that the pound one stone.
Me not eat that.
What make you not eat it?
The closest thing come to blue that I eat is St. Vincent yam, which is purple.
Okay, that's a dark night.
Probably dark night you call it, yes.
Dark night, man.
But pumpkin, blue pumpkin, me never see blue pumpkin yet.
If it right now, if me cut it, if you wash in anything where you wash in, if you say if you wash in a white bucket, or you wash in a certain thing, it's stainy.
Turn it blue?
It's stainy, man. It's stainy. Me I tell you, say it's stainy.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. So what want otherwise?
And me said the other thing, you know, man. When we was coming up from the country there yesterday, because the funeral was yesterday, I see a lady pan spur tree with sweet sap. Me never even know say sweet sap they run again.
Yes, man.
Man, are the sweetest thing. And guinea, you know, sweets up and guinea in season now, but it's the first bunch I'm eating. It was so good.
You know, I'm guinea. Anytime I eat guinea, prefer to up my stomach.
Oh. Yes, you have to clean up your gut, you know. Got too much things that make you...
Me love the sweets up.
Nice. Yes, sir. So, you know, see for your people, them the pan road that give out booklet.
Yes, man. Them not hear somebody call for Arvin Taylor yesterday and tell him, say, Andrew, that half a year give out booklet.
Yeah. you not get none?
They not have me that half a tree.
Oh, they not come down there yet. Yes, sir.
You know, reach down here yet.
So them have book of achievements.
Yes, man. Me see it on TV last night. So when see it on TV, I give them people to their windows up.
Yes, sir. So it looks to me like, as me say, right after the holiday, then everything I go drop span way. Yes, election time.
Yeah, man.
Supposed
election
to come.
Call, man. Good member say, you know, I want man now vote, you know, master for me now. I'll say, me I go try a lady and see where me go. Me I go try him.
You change your mind now. You change your
tune. Me I go try. Yes, then me I go try him. Then, you know, then I have to try him to see where me go. No joke.
Well?
Try him, man.
Up to you.
33 year hit with bad road. So try him and see where me go. Say if he come new and different.
So why not try the other side?
Try the other side? No, sir.
What make?
No, really. Me wouldn't vote for PNP still, but like how the lady come and I know the next man in a hit now, me I go try him and see. Me I try him and see where me go.
Why you not try Jesus?
No, Jesus, me never left Jesus yet.
Oh, he never leave you?
No, he never left me yet.
Well, thank God for that.
Never left me yet, Mrs.
Try Jesus.
Jesus never left me yet.
Yes, sir. If you see name on the ballot, then let me know.
Bless up DT, they have bless up Miss Fuller. Bless up Miss Emily.
Yes.
Bless up all of my hotline listeners, they right across the whole university.
Yes.
Bless up Tommy. We been hear my voice and make me get the phone.
Oh.
And my voice make me get the phone from me left me ID. Bless him up.
Yes.
He's an imperial man in the Malton.
Yes.
And my voice in here in that place and he say, anything we have me a walking shop, me have everything in my bill folio.
Yes.
TRN, no TRN ID, you have to tell me your phone.
Nice.
Bless up all the best. Take care of yourself.
Yes, thank you so much. Have a great day. Yes.
Yeah.
Walking shop there. 9262117.
Sister, hold on.
Oh, Jesus. She must get fear.
Morning.
Booklet. Morning.
Where say they?
You get fear.
Shoulder. Back. Small waist and bow leg when they give out pamphlet. Hey. Me want one ear shot to me boss. Me want one ear shot come on your face for me to mock ya. Hey, me I tell you.
Where you to mock there?
On my breast there me to mock there.
Oh.
There. want to put right. I want the head to go for me two big breasts them here so. And then me want your face to go. So me want one ear shot.
Pan your to mock.
For me to mock ya so. And then me want Andrew to put on right ya so. Third term. Yes, Andrew. After your shot me want, so send the shot come. I say, see me put on your shot. Hey! Me already got your face for my phone. Anybody call me after your face come up. The nether phone have a Miss Andy Sumpani.
He's gone to Washington. Why you don't follow him?
Love never change, darling.
Oh.
If loving you was wrong, I don't want to be right. Being right, being without, I don't want to sleep alone tonight.
What about out of sight, out of mind?
Out of sight. When you love somebody, true love don't die.
Oh.
Love always is a flow.
So what are your feelings for Mark Jefferson Golding? Let me go for the break.
Yes, church sister. When I even hear say come in the chat. That years me fi go for a hole. Hey. Yes, sir. How me chat too much and I listen. Then church sister, you never know about the pumpkin.
No.
Plant it in a newspaper all brown bag. You get different variety of pumpkin.
First time hearing.
I lie. All in a brown bag too, man. All na brown bag them plant the pumpkin seed and they get different type of pumpkin.
You see the blue pumpkin? You ever see?
No, me never see that one, but all different type of pumpkin and each pumpkin tastes different. When you plant them in the brown bag or the cleaner paper. Yes, man, and the next thing with the pineapple now. If you plant the pineapple, we pay the water now to come up your yard or go in your house. The pineapple plant on the two sides that bring prosperity, money. You know, out of money when you plant the pineapple, so. Plant it along your walkway. You go in and come out just the pineapple.
You plant it along for your walkway?
I don't have any money, sister.
No, me ask if you plant the...
Sister, me don't have any money.
But you plant it like that or not?
Let me say, me don't have any money.
Oh, that mean you don't plant it?
Me plant it.
Then it no work.
You work, man, you work.
Then if you work and you don't have money?
You work, man, you work. Me not have the money where you got, but me have the go. Me have $10.
Yeah, silver.
Yeah, I show you. But if you bring luck though, if you plant it along your walkway, that means you pass it, go in and pass it, come out. You bring luck. You understand me? What's your sister? Are your auntie dead again, Donna Sab?
My uncle in Black River.
Black River?
Donald
Hey,
Murray.
last week Thursday I went to me auntie that done a Black Shop at Cove funeral up on New York, you know. And New York, this one, Connecticut. And they didn't keep Madam Mac. What you call it there? Then keep funeral up there and they'll carry him down August, come bury him.
Oh.
May I tell you?
Yes.
And my auntie went 85 Thursday. Then when they planned birthday for her, and she did the 1st of July. You understand me? So then keep the funeral up there. Thursday gone for his birthday. Then they came down. But your sister, me they invite you, you know. Why you write this down, you know? NEC Brooklyn, North Region. Cheyenne O'Connor, the lick of America hard. What me say? Me want you to write down and watch it Friday. You hear?
Yes, may I write it down?
Right. NEC Brooklyn, North Region. Watch it. Cheyenne O'Connor have 1/10 of the most people me say America under 1/10. Me never see. Sister God good, you know. You know, sister the word they go all about me and Tanya at Jamaica, they watch for it.
Yes. I was thinking the same thing some months ago too. Yes, it's true.
Me sister God good, that's how me know say God soon come, you know. Can you say in word have to reach every nook.
That's right. Before, yes.
Me they tell you I they reach.
Yes.
And let me tell you something, Cheyenne O'Connor preach the kind of preaching where any small man can understand him. That's how me love him and Pastor JJ. Because they not talk this big word we don't understand. So when they talk you don't you know what in the chat say.
Like which big word you don't understand?
Hey! Me not going to that one today. So me they tell us some of them they turn you an idiot. Me don't you want that story. Come here. Somebody send one clip come give me because you know say me not Facebook nowadays thing there. When me listen to hear the man they chop and the man they chop language, hear the man, you better come with me. You better come with me. So you see these people when they go there in church and they hear them they chat so sitting and they don't know what they chat and they jump around with them and they hallelujah. You don't know what they say no.
So what the man said he was speaking in tongues?
No tongues he said let's speak and we know listen sister I say, you better come with me. You better come with me. You better come with me, you not left me. And the tongues in the chat sister but them they jump up and they say hallelujah and then I listen. Me not still me nearly dead, but don't say the call give you. Make you listen it. And I know joke business.
Then suppose it's really some sort of tongues that God understands. You
better come with me. You better come with me. You not left me. He's what can I do with that sister? Sabi you go say if I go say the call give. Alright, me talk about business I know. Sister, Donna Lucia, you know pretty. The condition down here, sister. Me sorry you ain't drive round so and come and drive through Lucy. And even go sleep at one of the hotel and tomorrow you go up. You wanna reach the work this morning.
That's right.
Yeah. Alright, no problem. But like all they have naked, and tomorrow naked in April, you know. No, you're not going to them place. It's my right in married man. I will no bother with that one. We change the subject. No bother with that one. Because kill these people go to that place. No bother with that. Listen, sister. Sister, in the town of Lucy and clean. At the dirtiest place. Me go in there wish the sister and it turn bad. It stay bad. Dirty water they run for all time. Run I'll go straight down away the plaza there with the Western Union there. Pan the side where Shell gas station when there. Water did it. Where the late Ago. What Mr. Williams when name? I not remember his first name. Edward Williams. Store. Water there for sister. We promise buys that have Mr. Buys mother store when they sell out. Water did they so sister. Everywhere you turn, when you come down Ronald they so now sister. And look, Ronald left on your left. And on the right now you see the poor people, them have the little shop in the place. Sister, for you enter you see water under the shop. And they go straight to the next side. Water the people now they sit down in a sister and they sell all worm maggots in the water there. It is very bad. What me say to you? And sister, for them bun down the market done there for the 5th of October last year. Not even who done they don't give the people them. Not nobody then they asphalt out over there. And they pay, you have to pay if you go by the go park. So then get rid of the people them over there. And have parking over there. In a right, sister. One lady said to me in a Lucy, and me know that the woman they ever since me know me they sell in the market there. Sister, the woman there roadside they sell 2 mango. And that she out a roadside they sell a that's what she resort to. She tell me say she went this buy her goods when the place burned down October. So she not have no money and she went borrow money at one bank, she say, and buy up her things them and everything. Sister, the woman gone right down, sister. And what's about the others women no see, sister? Sister, over the market look like a dead place. Nothing, nobody now go over there. No. You see all the big market, sister? Nobody now going to go buy for the people them again, you know.
But,
because most of the people them on the roadside, sister.
yeah, but
So nobody now go in at the market, so they now make no money.
You
We don't know how them pay market fee, sister.
But the
Wickedness, you know.
municipal corporation, they have responsibility for the markets, and I think for the road there, it sounds like a whole town planning thing needed for Lucy.
Us, sister,
Yeah.
under some matter, sister member say them put the fast food. Wait, me don't give you to it. When me go in a Lucy and go over the bus part to go look taxi, a 3 big rat they run under the fast food place, sister. Them big like a ram goat, me little ram goat for me have. You never see rat big so. You see all out the front here so. Where the Texaco gas station, where we used to turn up and get drive. Sister, if you go there, rat take you away from over there.
Yeah. Well, if the garbage collection is bad, then there will be rats, especially
It's rat-
where there are food establishments. Don't New Kingston here, you know, if you stand up outside any of the establishments in New Kingston after a
Rat, yeah,
certain time. Yes.
Then sister, you see the big rat, sister.
Yeah.
Them big pussy, no?
I haven't seen them in a little while, but I'm sure people will give accounts of what they've seen recently.
Sister is terrible, sister. Then can't they treat Lucy people so? Sister, the only thing what they need to do, get one chuck and for the keep left for Lucy with the water, sprinkle it and wash it, go straight in at the town. As simple that they for do, you know. Sister, the place ranky. You see use that word on the radio?
No, that's fine. But why is it that people can't... There are no toilets there?
Well, sister, you
No
know, you me
public
tell us
toilet.
they sell the one latrine in a Lucy. By 4 o'clock, you lock down, you know. And most of the time, no water, no, they no, sister.
My
And you have 2
God.
tampons in there. So we are think the people never put on that thing. And some
dear.
question is not the people them fault. It's not the people them fault, sister.
Yeah, it requires a lot. Mark you, even downtown Kingston here, whether they have public toilet or not, they still go and pee in the park. A lot of people do that. It's dreadful.
Sister, the condition is bad. My next thing now. Why they have a problem with Dennis Chung, sister? Is it because they can't deal with Dennis Chung like how they deal with integrity?
No.
And then I no secret with Dennis Chung?
I
But then
don't-
they take it from Dennis Chung?
I don't think there's a problem with Dennis
Hey!
Chung per se. I think the process, there are a lot of questions around what happened. And we haven't really had the answer
Sister,
yet.
make Dennis Chung stay behind there. Because me hear them tell up on radio, I say, they have people in every establishment. So because they can't spin Dennis Chung, then they take it for Dennis Chung.
No.
And I not more that, sister.
No, that is
As,
not.
as they open
That's
their
not
mouth,
the issue.
integrity speak. As they open their mouth, Greg Christie speak.
Greg Christie is no longer at the Integrity Commission. His term
You know,
in
did they
office,
again?
term done, and he's gone home.
Okay, then whosoever in charge now, can they have them under them palm?
No.
Let them tell them what to do. Can them are then yes man and then yes woman.
No, the questions around the appointment of Dennis Chung are legitimate questions.
Not a thing no go so, sister. I love you very much, but not a thing no go so them. They sound like a they yang bike.
Hold on, let me take a break. Miss Lucy, wrap up now.
Sister, me not remember to tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Say me Bishop Teddy Bailey for St. Thomas, Lanta, Port Moran.
Mm-hmm.
Send me 24 mango down a Knoxford Express. East Indian mango. Morning, Bishop Bailey. Thank you very much.
Then
Sister
that is love?
Eh? Then Bishop now mango tree up on yard, sister. Say no send me mango. Sister eat East Indian mango, so still.
Any Bishop do not send her any more mangoes.
508 and 6 and 800 done for one East Indian. And Bishop send me them done enough so that me go call it. I eat all 3 for the day.
Tell Bishop to send you Cersei.
Cersei for the what, sister?
You don't need any more sugar in your body.
I as well as if you go drink aloe vera.
Yeah, aloe vera, very good too. Cersei and
aloe. Blood system. I don't want Cersei to drink.
But good. Yes.
What's your question? Thank God nobody na take care of me. Me glad me living in my own wackle box. What type of somebody take care of that? Somebody their sister. No, that's why come the report can work in the work. Me glad nobody can style me now. Nobody can tell me one piece of it me compare. That nobody na pay me rent. And the little old wackle box for me living now for me. And anytime me they go at that top of clinic, everybody they go. Me they go. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you.
So nobody now put me pan over. Sister, have a wonderful weekend.
All right.
Carry yourself
happy.
out.
Yes, happy emancipation to you when it comes tomorrow. 876-926-7615.
Good morning, Miss Emily.
Oh, Jesus. Miss Emily?
Miss Emily, no problem. I tried it. You thank God me get you.
Back to back to back. The Philistines are down on me.
Yes, Miss Emily.
Good to hear you.
Miss Lucy walking sharpness and radio family. Miss Emily, a young lady come on and say that the Prime Minister using some money to election. What she's talking, is it true?
He's using what?
Some money, she has said, for run election. Is that true?
No, I don't know which person said that.
Yes, she come on yesterday on the news. But when you watch election, Miss Emily, why them come on, go on with them foolish and I say them foolish.
But what you said, Mr. Holness is using which money for election? Which money? You remember which money?
I remember the money where they say him a use board for do election and I use big bus.
Oh.
Use big bus to run election. But when you watch election, them are come with them propaganda.
No, but Miss Emily, you know, see them couple of the school buses them with supporters at the JLP in it. Them can't do that. In a campaign bus.
Emily, them are try out the bus, them are run the bus and
no, they don't need to try them out. They bring them down here, transport authority, pass them and fit and proper. You don't need labor rights in them to try them out. You don't need that. That is not right. Yes, and it is politicizing the situation in the face of whole heap of, statements being made already by the opposition. That part not right, Miss Emily.
Okay. Well, Miss Emily,
yes.
Miss Emily then could have preached like Paul. The Prime Minister will third term, get third term. They could have preached and dig up their foolish, because we know them are propaganda, and them are low position. But they now win third term for the Prime Minister.
Which, you're in where again? Who is your MP? Dr. Guy?
No, Mr. And the well-want is Lincoln's son. No, Mr. When you're Dr. Guy. And well-want is Lincoln's son, labor right, you see?
Eh?
Because Lincoln back at time, Miss Emily, and when Dr. Guy have Islington, and to give this man, I well want Islington's own labor right.
Who is the JLP candidate down there again? You know? Or you're not even voting for candidate?
One man, me don't know him.
Let me see if we can find it. So tell me something. When you go to the polls, is who you going to vote for? Just Andrew, so?
No, man, that's strictly labor right. Strictly labor right.
Yes, so no matter the candidate, you just have vote for labor.
Right. Strictly labor right.
My God.
Strictly labor right, Miss Emily.
You don't even know the name of the person.
I don't know him, but strictly labor right. Mr. Holness, third time.
What the people down there saying, Miss Emily?
No, man, they're not PNP. They're not nothing. They're not PNP.
So that means Central will remain with the PNP?
No, man, they want to change, man. Me want to change it. It's back at time. Back at them, back at bush, back at time.
Yeah, but what you want, it don't seem like you're going to get it. It looks like it's this guy named Lennon Richards. I don't know if it's him. Is the JLP candidate down there?
Back at time, Miss Emily. For a long time. Want a change, man.
Well,
back at time.
Yes, sir. Very soon we shall see.
Yes, Miss Emily.
So you go around on the buses as well to campaign?
When they come round, Miss Emily. When they come round.
Oh.
Yes, man. When they come round, Miss Emily.
Okay, you put on your Andrew,
your
shirt
man,
and
put on me green. Put on me green, Miss Emily.
Tell me one thing.
Beautiful.
Tell me one thing.
Beautiful.
Tell me one thing the JLP has done for the country that you think is so good that you want them in for the third term.
But the Prime Minister is doing a wonderful thing for the young people, the elderly, building house, giving them houses, providing jobs for young people. So he's doing a wonderful job, Miss Emily.
Okay.
And my daughter, he do a lot to my daughter too. When the program, my daughter go on it. My wash belly go on it.
Which program?
For the young people to go abroad on the work job program.
Okay.
Yes, yes, Miss Emily.
So you're in Islington?
Islington, St. Mary.
So what about Hampstead? You know anything about the Hampstead?
No, Miss Emily.
What about Highgate?
No, me don't know. Me don't know about
Port
it.
Marie, you don't know? Okay.
No, Miss Emily.
I think it's
Islington. I tell you, so we want a change. So Islington, the back of time. Way back of time, how long now?
Omar Newell, down there for the PNP, and it looks like it's this guy Richards down there for the JLP. But you know business who? You just have to put your X beside the bell.
Beside the bell.
All right, Miss Emily.
Miss Emily, okay.
Take
Enjoy
care.
the rest of your day now.
Yes. 876-926-2178. Hello.
Good afternoon, Miss Emily.
Hi, morning. Who is this?
I'm calling from Westmoreland, Preston down here.
Nice. Preston, you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Where in Westmoreland are you?
Lennox, me good.
Oh, so you're in Eastern.
Yes, ma'am.
That is D. Lawrence.
Lawrence, man. It's same Lawrence, man.
What about the Gensec?
Huh?
The Gensec or the PNP?
My God, man. I tell you, we down here, Miss Emily, we can't turn left nor right.
Why?
The road is so bad. So we don't know which one of the road they more drive fancy, come catch people on it.
Oh?
Very bad, in a bad condition.
So when did the roads get this bad?
Over how much here now, man. From Luther Buchanan till now. And until the Labour right come in, them still doing the same thing. So it look like nobody now bother with voting at the place again. But them have it done in Paris. They need a choppy.
Yes.
They need a speedy. They're not doing anything here. Not a thing here, Mr. Emily.
So is the roadside that need cleaning or the roads full of pothole?
A road full of pothole and it need cleaning, Mr. Emily.
So Reach didn't come down there, the pothole fixing program?
No, sir, they not touch. No, sir, that is a part here. They look like with the back of the world.
You talked to D. Lawrence?
Him drive through up to a couple of days back. He was in here about 3 weeks back or something like that. I'll check one man in a mile lane here, and he promised the people him going to fix the lane here. Until now, he don't do anything there. He just walk and scandal himself, thinks he's going to get another term again. He's not getting any more.
What you said to me?
He's not getting any more. So I'll walk when in there, when Miss Lucy and that woman talk about the Prime Minister going to win, they're not going to see the House of Parliament again. Them will outside.
So
looking on the inside.
So this is you're not gonna give D. Lawrence a second term?
He wouldn't get not even if he was he not even would have get not even my fingernail what is my finger.
So what the people up there saying generally now in Preston?
Them don't want him none at all.
So they're going to vote Dayton Campbell?
They look like it and have a transport on him right here.
But that is a PNP seat nonetheless, you know. It was a surprise.
But is Mr. Buchanan deteriorated, you know, for it was landslide here, you know. And
exactly,
and
it's PJ's old seat.
by two.
It's PJ's whole seat, you're right?
Yes, it was a landslide seat here. So there
Yes.
is no way. When I chose Mr. Buchanan wasn't doing anything, that's why him lose the seat. But if he went just doing something here, Mr. Lawrence couldn't come inside here.
But isn't the Lawrence from the constituency? Doesn't he live there?
He not live here, he live in the White House division. With same consequences.
Same constituency. Because when I drive down there, I see all of the posters and things.
Yes, it's right here.
In fact,
Lennox Bigwood.
Yes.
Right back to Darliston.
Yes.
Go right back round half piece of Caledonian near to Witan. Him have piece there, new works and all those divisions. And when you look on the road and all of that, Mr. Mel, we're begging hard for them do something down here. And nobody was turning here. And then them coming about to talk about the election. Where?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so, Mr. Melly. I don't think Mr. Lawrence have a chance here.
So
not another chance here.
You think Eastern will swing back to the PNP?
It's going to swing back to the PNP.
What is this? You work with Dr. Campbell?
I'm going to. I don't vote for a long time now, but I'm doing it right now just to get them out there.
Mm-hmm.
So
what is
them
not
can
this?
always talk about the 6-pack and this and that. To green up the place. Anything green no ripe. It's not going come to perfection to eat no time. It's already green.
You don't like green grass?
No, Mr. Melly, we don't like anything green. It don't ripe at all.
All right. Preston, headlines time. This is Hotline.
You're listening to Radio Jamaica 94.
Of Eastern Westmoreland should be well known to the listeners. It's a traditionally strong seat for the People's National Party. Held over the years, it was P.J. Pattison's seat when he was Prime Minister, Westmoreland Eastern. And I believe, based on the history, the only time the JLP won it was with a lady called Euphemia Williams. And that was perhaps, I believe, in the 1980 election. On the night of the last election, it was one of those seats that as I recall it, I think it was declared for Luther Buchanan. And then I think in a recount, Daniel Lawrence won by literally the skin of his teeth. 1 or 2 votes or some number like that. But it's a fascinating seat in terms of the various divisions that are there, the size of the division, each division. When I traveled down for the funeral I went to yesterday, as soon as I got to the border of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, you would think Dayton Campbell is the mayor down there, the size of the poster that he has right at the border there. And right throughout, going through White House, you see him, you see Daniel Lawrence, all over. In fact, every parish that I drove through over the last 2 days, littered with campaign colors plus their pictures. Northeast, every constituency you can think of. Southwest, St. Elizabeth, Northwest, right through, coming straight back into Kingston. And I was trying to read each street. The thing is, if you don't understand the voting tendencies historically, then you can possibly be misled by some of the signage and so forth that you're seeing. So one of the things I really hope to do is to be able to find the time to go into the hinterlands and to visit these communities that make up these various divisions based on the voting patterns of each division, because they will determine on election night based on the numbers that are coming in. They give you a good sense as to what is happening. But I understand that Daniel Lawrence has been strategic in the roads that he's been fixing. Yeah, so you hear Preston, who complained just now, said nothing now go on with the roads in Lennox, Big Woods. That's in the Darliston division. And as far as I know, that's one of the divisions that over the years, if road patching was to go on, then they'd sort of sort them out. Maybe not first or second, but they'd be on the list. As I understand it, Daniel Lawrence has been doing some other areas strategically. So we shall see. But thank you for the feedback, Preston. Hope you'll call again, 876-926-2178, 926-8631, 926-7615. 2178. Hello?
Good morning, Mrs. Shields.
Buster, how are you?
Not bad. How you spell the Buster, Mrs. Shields?
Busta.
Eh?
Busta.
Okay. Because it was your former station, John Davis, and then God Robinson had a program Saturday afternoon
yes.
live.
Was horse racing?
Yes, that time they gave me the name Buster.
Oh.
Because I used to ask them some questions and they were unable to answer. So they called me Brain Buster.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't know that,
Yeah, man. The constituency was first won by Jim Thompson.
Eastern?
Yeah, I think the PJ replaced Jim Thompson.
Jim Thompson, I think, was he Custos?
Yeah, that's the same gentleman.
Right, but I don't recall that he was MP.
Yeah, man, Jim Thompson. And then,
no, he was Custos.
Yeah. Anyhow, Mr. Shi, you say communication, ma'am, is the greatest thing. Because I remember, I think it was 10 o'clock news, and there was an advertisement. Said, come tomorrow, a train will be leaving Spanish Town to Linstead, right? It's a heritage trip, right? And they mentioned about cuisine, so most likely food will be there. But then, they didn't say if the food, will be free or what. Because some people might go there and say, well, where that is concerned, right? But it is being sponsored by, I think, TDP and some other places. But what I'm saying, Mr. Shields, they didn't even mention the estimate time of arrival or departure. Nothing like that. They will tell you where the train, where it starts and the destination. No communication where time is concerned. So I figure more or less, you see, that's what I say.
10 o'clock, you said? You heard something on the station?
Yes, ma'am. I think it was 10 o'clock or 10:30 news or advertisement.
Oh.
But then,
Let me ask DT, and it says TPDCO is having something?
Yes, we are heritage
trip
where the train is concerned from Spanish Town to Linstead. But they didn't mention the time. At time of depart Spanish Town or depart the other station. No estimate time or whatsoever the case might be.
Yes, that's relevant though. Yes,
yeah,
I agree with
that's
you.
exact. No, Mrs. Shields, I was listening to a news. I got up late this morning, so I don't know if I was dreaming or what. A statement, I think it was that Dr. Chang mentioned about, said Indicom have no can determine how the police supposed to go and operate. It's up to the police, which is true. Where body worn camera is concerned.
Where anything is concerned.
Yeah, Indicom not to determine when the police go on the operation, what equipment they have to wear or whatever the case might be.
Yes.
They determine. So, Mrs. Shields, you have a planned operation, and right around for the past couple of years, they said the police have to wear body camera to determine, say, because from time to time, there is fatality, and people might think about, if the police, right, or what the statement issued by the police, contrary to what the citizens said, right? So they said, wear camera. But then when the security minister said, when they go in an operation, they determine what they are to wear. No, Mrs. Shields, they're going on a planned operation and then determine. Me not going to wear no camera, body worn camera. I figure more or less say, that statement, I don't know if it's right, or what the quote Mr. Changa said, but if the quotation is right, I don't think it's right, this statement.
No, I don't. What I heard him say is that nobody can direct the operations of the JCF, which is quite right.
All right. That's exactly right. Direct.
Yeah.
You don't direct them, but if it's a compulsory to secure where accuracy is concerned, you don't direct them. You're going on a plan operation. It's not a matter say you're in RGR and then you hear say, boy, what's that? Don't meet should have you something. It's something sudden. There's a plan operation, right? I figure more or less the police are to equip themselves, go in there, whatsoever, how many people, where manpower is concerned, equipment, not to, because from time to time there are discrepancies. We are statements from the police and the citizens.
Right. So when it does become operational that body-worn cameras are used, then as part of the uniform of the police team, whichever operation they're going on, then they are supposed to wear the body-worn cameras. But at the moment, as far as I understand, there's a whole build-out that is going on, and perhaps acquisition too of some usable body-worn cameras, because I know we got hundreds some years ago that we didn't use.
Yeah, and then the Prime Minister mentioned about some technicalities over a period of time where data is concerned to make it something more like effective.
Yes.
Yeah. Then, Mr. Shees, let me ask you something. When umbrella, what's the new name for the umbrella? What the other name? What the English call it? When they put up the umbrella where rain is concerned, when one at the time, like you put up the umbrella where shade is concerned, it's an umbrella. But to avoid rain, what them call it?
I don't know.
There is a next name, There is, if you listen cricket, and sometimes you say they put up, I forgot what the name. It's just like we use raincoat and them call it Macintosh, or the British call it Macintosh. No, what's the new name for posters, political posters, our flag? What's the new name?
Me no know.
No, you don't talk about it all the while.
What is it?
What them call it? I mean, I can't quite remember what the name what them call it. Because them say them tear down the PNP post and the GLP posters where that is concerned, and flag.
I don't know what the name is, but what's the point you're trying to make?
No, it's a regular name, Miss.
Oh?
You hear them, because let me tell you something.
What, Billboard?
No, not Billboard, Mama, different name.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Forget what it name. But then, I remember vividly, I think it was sometime early this week, the lady who represent, like the ombudsman in the EOJ, right?
Yes.
Said there was a report from, I think, the PNP councillor, the candidate for St. Thomas, Shaw, right? Said her picture and her flag was being torn down, right? And the lady from EOJ said she visited the area, and there was evidence that they were being torn down, right? No, I heard Dr. Charles said, at them first started. No, you see, Mr. Shees, my concern is now. PNP started first, because this is what Dr. Charles said, right? She didn't report it to the ombudsman, right? No, he retaliate and tore down the PNP posters and Ms. Shaw. He reported, and the ombudsperson came there and examined it and realized it's true. No, Mrs. Shees, I would prefer to find out. I mean, that's a communication. What action did the ombudsman take to either call Mrs. Dr. Charles? Why didn't you report it or whatever the case might be? And, tell the public what action was being taken. You figure what I'm saying, ma'am?
Not really.
No, all right. No, said there is certain...
So they confirmed that the posters were taken down, so they want to know what action the political ombudsman can take.
Yes, and then make it becomes public, because
listen, all the political ombudsman can do is to be directive in the requests that are made to a person that they believe has wronged another person or the person's supporters. The person to whom the directive is given, them can choose not to obey it.
Exactly.
They can't say they're not doing any. So all this talk about political ombudsman, to me, it's a grand waste.
Yeah, because if you can say, well, what's that? You have to, whether your party or the party use some covert meetings and say, well, what's that? PNP, PN something, and them say, well, it's a party. Whether it's true or false, they are to say, well, what's that? Once it come in agreed and arranged, you have to clear something. Wipe it out, and the cost is, if government have to do it, the cost is on your party.
You're not going to government. Yes, whichever party must do it.
Yes, but
either ruling or opposing is not government, really.
No, what I'm saying, Mrs. Shields, I agree. Whether government, like I think it was I forget which I think it was James Robertson. Since we said the PNP paint up some public areas and whatsoever.
Yes,
and
I think I heard.
Him in turn gets some white paint and paint it out or whatsoever the case might be. That's a trespass on public property. Well, all right.
It could be.
No, could be, Mrs. Shields.
It could be because if it's private property that the things were put up on.
No, public property on the roadside.
I heard him say that these things were flags and so for the PNP. Put up on whatever when they leave St. Thomas. But I don't know where on
and paint on wall and public place.
No.
And you have to use white paint and paint it
I
out.
heard him say that, but I don't know if the places that they've been put up are public places. I don't know if it's light posts him talking about or it's people private place that are by the roadside that the things are put up on. But I did hear him say that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you for the
all
call.
Right, okay.
Mm-hmm. At some point in time, I think we have to grow up. We have to mature politically so that this desire to have sort of this independent arbiter who becomes active just a few months for every 5 years, we have to move away from that. So many surveys have been done, certainly outside of the election period, where people have felt that the office of the political ombudsman is not really serving a purpose that is fit for the money that we expend. So I'm fascinating that even in the face of that, every single year we get around to the election cycle, there are all of these clamors for this report to be made to the office of the political ombudsman to stop people doing this, doing that. At some point in time, we have to step up and start assuming